my friends? So happy to be here with you today at Serene Vocal Studio. Have you ever wanted to sing a specific pop song but was unable to because you couldn't get the placement correct in your voice? Oftentimes when people come in the studio and they say, hey, I want to sing this fabulous song, and I'll say, all right, let's do it. One of the things that is most often the problem with singing pop in particular is the placement in their voice isn't correct. Whether they have a really long, open, dark Adele sound versus an Anna Kendrick sound, which is more nasally, right?
Hi, I'm a troll and I'm super happy.
So you want to be able to access those parts of your voice so that you can sing Adele and Anna Kendrick, even though they're like total opposite sides of the spectrum, right? The exercise we're going to do to help bring that voice forward and up, often brighter, because with pop you need to have a very forward sound. Most pop songs are sung right here in the front of your mask. So the exercise for that goes like this. It's a hungy, hungy, hungy. When you do the hung part, you're placing the sound really far forward, like a bee got stuck in your face and you're going hung. You can feel it buzzing on the hung, and the gee, gee. We're keeping that very, very far forward as we go gee. Okay, so that's what you focus on with hungy. Okay, let's start here. Keep it forward. Back down. Good. Awesome work, you guys. You sounded so forward. Keep working on it. You can start a little bit lower if you need to. You can go even higher if you want to. But that middle part in your voice is going to be the most tricky, from where you're switching to your chest voice going into your head voice. But you just want to focus right here and focus forward, 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 forward. No matter what part of the scale you're on, whether you're in the lower part of your voice, the mid part of your voice, or the upper part of your voice, you can access that forward tone. Now, we're not going to always sing like this, and that's totally okay, but we are going to use the forward tone to get vocal flexibility within our voice, to do vocal runs and scales within the song, and that sort of thing. Work on hungy, and you will be right up there with your local favorite pop artist, whatever they may be. Take care, my friends. See you next time. Bye.